How to unblock Tabby account. Now, there are specific factors or multiple factors that usually happens when your account suddenly got blocked. The main reason for that is if you provided a specific identity in which your specific card has already been expired. For you to be able to unblock it, all you have to do is to reach out customer support or customer service via the application or via through the official site. Now, once you're here, just simply scroll all the way down to this part of this page and then simply hit on contact, usually below about. And here, just head straight into support and then choose contact us. There's actually no option for you to be able to reach out a customer service live, but all you have to do is to use the specific hotline numbers that is showing on your screen, and you can also try to reach out via the email address that is going to be here. And that's basically it. That's how you unblock your Tabby account.